There's a mess on the floor. You grab your Dyson V15, pull the trigger, and absolute silence. Or maybe it's been on the charger all night, but it's stubbornly stuck at 45% battery, acting like it's on a permanent coffee break. If your vacuum won't start or refuses to hold a charge, you aren't crazy. This charging glitch is a massive frustration plaguing many Dyson V15 owners right now. So why is this happening? While you might suspect the charger or the motor, the diagnostic results usually point to one specific villain: a faulty battery. Over time, individual cells inside the pack can fail or become unbalanced, causing the vacuum safety software to lock the machine down completely. Letting this slide doesn't just mean a dirty house, it turns a premium appliance into a closet decoration. Worse yet, trying to force charge a damaged battery can risk overheating or damaging the main circuit board. But don't panic and buy a new vacuum just yet. RoboCare has the expertise to get you powered up again. At RoboCare, we pride ourselves on being specialists in high-end handheld vacuum repair. Our technicians have years of experience specifically with the Dyson V series, meaning we understand the complex electronics and safety protocols that power these machines better than anyone else. We don't guess, we verify. The diagnostic result confirmed a faulty battery pack, where specific cells have degraded, triggering the vacuum's safety lockout mode. Our solution is precise and effective. We carefully remove the compromised unit and replace it with a genuine component. This ensures your Dyson charges to 100% and regains its full suction power. We've done the work. Now let's see the proof. And look at the difference. We are back to 100% battery life and full suction power. The Dyson V15 is purring like a kitten and devouring dust just like the day it was unboxed. Problem solved. Don't let a bad battery ruin your cleaning routine. Visit our website or call us today to book your repair. We fix it right so you can clean tight